Good morning. I bought some cheap alcohol markers so that I could start doing some architectural sketches, and here I did a quick line sketch of a house. I'm attempting to use these markers for the first time, because I'm trying to practice more creative architecture. This sketch is from a channel named arielbrindissketch, and I followed a video on his channel to draw this. I tried to follow along with the application of the alcohol markers. One difference is that he's using a range of high-end expensive Prismacolors, and I'm trying to match any colors that he's using with my cheap ones. I have a good range of grays, but I didn't have the exact browns that he's using. So this is just my attempt at trying to recreate his drawing. arielbrindissketch has a really great channel full of amazing sketches like this, so be sure to check it out if you're interested in architectural sketching. Okay, enough talk, let's go. here's my finished sketch. I really like how the markers fill the page with color nice and smoothly. The sketch hasn't turned out exactly as I would have liked, and I think it's because I wasn't fully aware of the colors that I was using. Some areas of the drawing I would have liked to define better, the shading for example. Also, I think I overdid it with the trees a bit. Too much of the dark colors. The trees take some patience to do because you have to build it up with small marks, and I think I lost my patience there and tried to fill the page as quickly as possible. I probably should have left the drawing a bit and come back to it later because I rushed the window marks. The rest of the drawing looks decent, but the window area is a bit of a fail. I need some more practice with this to get better. Next time I'll try using my own sense to put the shading down according to what I have. And if I'm losing patience, I'll walk away and come back later to finish the sketch instead of rushing it. I'm going to do more videos like this, so if you'd like to see more architectural sketching videos, then subscribe. Thanks for watching.